Hello my lovies, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I made these beautiful chalk painted mason jars for centerpieces. So we're going to be using the Home Decor Folk Art chalk paint as a demonstration. We're going to be starting with the yellow and you'll be able to see the different designs at the end of the video. So please stay at the end of the video or until the end of the video to see the other designs. But I'm starting with a thin layer of chalk paint. I'm going to let this dry for about 3 to 5 minutes, or a little bit, maybe I would say 5 to 10 minutes under a dryer under medium low heat. And then I'm going to be applying this second layer on top of that once the first layer has completely dry. You can actually test to see if your mason jar is completely dry just by simply pressing your fingertip on it. If you see a fingerprint, then it is not dry and you want to wait or blow dry it a little bit more until it's completely dry. And then we're going to move on to painting the inside of the jar, and we're going to be painting the inside of the jar to achieve the opaqueness of the color. I find that it's most beautiful in this case. You want to be able to cover the entire jar with the color as much as you possibly can, and I can't stress enough, any layer that you're applying, you always want to make sure that it's bone dry before you apply any second layer or third layer, just to prevent any ripples or wrinkles on your paint. You want it to be pretty smooth. And now for the design, we're going to be using some white chalk paint with a circular sponge, which I've had for years. I got at Michael's a long time ago. It's my handy dandy circular sponge thingy. But what I'm doing is I'm stamping it and I'm twisting it to kind of spread the paint out to where it looks, you know, like a circle. As you can see, it's not perfect. It's not a perfect circle, but it's not a big deal. Once you're able to stamp your circles, you can easily take a paintbrush and use the paint to spread it out to where it looks somewhat like a circle. And it doesn't, like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, but you want to try and achieve a circular shape as much as you possibly can. And for the stripe design, we're going to be using some washi tape. I prefer to use washi tape in this case because I feel like washi tape is less harsh. It won't pull up or lift the paint that's already applied to the jar, but it's enough to where it can block out the areas that we do not want to paint. Okay, so I totally forgot to record the yellow jar, but as you can see, I'm painting multiple jars, but I'm just demonstrating how I'm painting over the washi tape, just so that you guys can see what it is or how to do it. So we're just pretty much painting white all over the jar with the washi tape, blocking out the areas that we don't want painted. Now we're going to be removing the washi tape so that you can, of course, see the design afterwards. It's so beautiful. And just to let you know, any areas that happen to be a little messy, you can always just go through with it with a paintbrush. For example, if the white is kind of all over the place, you can kind of paint over it with yellow. Again, the shapes are not always going to be perfect, but they look, you know, decent, and that's what matters the most. And here are the finished projects, and what I added were jute twine ties along with spring florals to add garnishment to our centerpieces, and they make for perfect decor for spring. I hope you guys love this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.